What's up, guys? We have done a little bit of tweaking to our Honda and Acura kits. I wanted to show you real quick. We have made it to be able to accept a double beadlock 13-inch. All right, come on in, take a look at that. All right. So there's not really any issues with any rims on the market. This is we can clear this one, which is pretty tight. It's going to clear a lot of the 13-inch double beadlocks on the market. We have to thank our friends at O&J for sending us this to be able to mock up and letting us know exactly what is popular right now. So yeah, this kit right here, let's take a look. Here, walk over here, we'll take a look. This is one side 4-piston on a scale. Super lightweight, direct bolt, no modifications needed. All right, so I just wanted to show you what a direct bolt, what we mean by that is we have specially designed this caliper to bolt directly to the spindle. You just take your old brake setup off, throw the rotor and hat on, and bolt the caliper directly to the spindle. I mean, it's super simple.